हेलो एवरीवन मो भारत यूट्यूब चैनल को आपन स्वागत। आज आम हिस्ट्री जैनिज्म इन इंडिया विषय रे किछि इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आंसर डिस्कशन करबा अकॉर्डिंग टू एनसीईआरटी ऑल कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम पई। प्रथम क्वेश्चन होची हु फाउंडेड जैनिज्म। आंसर होची जैनिज्म वाज रिवाइव्ड बाय वर्धमान महावीर दी 24th तीर्थंकर। तीर्थंकर माने तीर्थंकर means who has divine and spiritual knowledge which leads their students to salvation or moksha. Who was the first Tirthankara? Answer hochi Rishabhanatha is considered the first Tirthankara. When was Mahavira born? Mahavira was born in 599 BCE. Where was Mahavira born? He was born at Kundagrama near Baisali in Bihar. What was Mahavira's original name? His original name was Vardhamana. To which clan did Mahavira belong? He belonged to Jantrika clan. At what age did Mahavira renounce home? He renounced home at the age of 30. How long did Mahavira practice penance? He practiced penance for 12 years. He got his enlightenment at the age of 42 years. What is enlightenment called in Jainism? Answer होची कैवल्य. Where did Mahavira attain enlightenment? He attained enlightenment in Jrimbhika Grama under sal tree. What are the main teachings of Jainism? Ahimsa, Satya, Asteya, Brahmacharya and Aparigraha. What is the meaning of Aparigraha? Non-possession or non-attachment. What is the goal of Jainism? To achieve liberation or moksha from the cycle of birth and death. What language were Jain teachings given in? Prakriti language. Who were the Tirthankaras? Spiritual teachers who guided people to liberation. How many Tirthankaras are there? There are 24 Tirthankaras. Where did Mahavira die? He died at Pavapuri in Bihar. When did Mahavira die? He died in 527 BCE. What is Saleh Khana? A ritual fast unto death in Jainism. Name the two main sects in Jainism. Digambara and Svetambara. Who are Digambaras? Monks who do not wear clothes. Who are Svetambaras? Monks who wear white clothes. What is the Jain concept of karma? Karma binds the soul to the cycle of rebirth. What is moksha in Jainism? Freedom from the cycle of birth and death. What is Triratna? Right faith, right knowledge and right conduct. Which rulers supported Jainism? Chandragupta Maurya supported Jainism. Where did Chandragupta Maurya go in old age? He went to Sravana Belagola. Which region became a Jain center? Karnataka. Name a famous Jain text. Kalpasutra. What is the Kalpasutra? A sacred Jain text containing biographies of Tirthankaras. What are Agamas? Sacred Jain scriptures. What is the Jain symbol of peace? The hand with a wheel symbolizing ahimsa. What is Brahmacharya? Practice of celibacy. What was Mahavira's father's name? Siddhartha. What was Mahavira's mother's name? Trishala. What is Jainism's view on animals? All animals have souls and must be protected. What is meditation in Jainism? A path to purify the soul. Which festival is important in Jainism? Mahavir Jayanti. What is the main aim of Jain ethics? To purify the soul through discipline. What is Mahavira's wife name? His wife name was Yashoda. His daughter name was Priyadarshana. Who is Mahavira's first disciple? प्रथम शिष्य किए थे? His first disciple name was Jamali. He later became Mahavira's son-in-law. Which places are sacred to Jains? Pavapuri and Shravana Belagula. तो ये थिला आपणर हिस्ट्री जैनिज्म इन इंडिया विषय किछि क्वेश्चन आंसर डिस्कशन सबू कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम पे इम्पोर्टेंट भिडियोटी को भल लगे लाइक करेंगे सांगसाथी मानक शेयर करेंगे एवं चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करेंगे। थैंक यू।